Namaskar, hello to the one who is watching this video. In this video, I will be showcasing one item from my collection. So let's begin. This is a 20th century item, a block of 4 stamps belonging to the British India Empire, also known as British Raj. These stamps were minted in the year 1932, the year in which Indian Air Force was established. Now coming to some elementary details of these stamps. As you can see, the stamps in this block are upside down. This kind of a block is called as tête-bêche block. The denomination is 1 anna, which is mentioned at the bottom, and at the top India Postage and Revenue is mentioned. The color is brown, chocolate brown. The year of minting is 1932. The portrait which you see is of King George V, the second last ruler of the British India Empire and the one who succeeded Queen Victoria. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching it.